Hello, greetings, and hi. Thanks for tuning in, and it's great to have you with us. We introduced sealing foams to you in the last few days here on this channel as a way to seal your car. But so far, at least the ones we have tried, the ones we have shown, they all have roughly the same problem. They do work, sos ari, in the sense that we can actually apply a sealant to the car with a foam cannon on a high pressure cleaner or with a foam sprayer. But they are comparatively expensive, at least when we use those that actually produce a strong beading effect. We have already introduced you to the Kokemi protector wax in a few videos in the past and found that it is clearly more in the direction of I would describe it as a drying aid or a gloss dryer. That means we have a water film that breaks after application, but we don't have a strong beading effect. And that's where products like the Surfaces Hydroceramic Foam or the Fireball Hydrofoam come into play, which are really capable of producing a nice beading effect. But we do use quite a bit here. We do use about 100 ml of product for a mixture of 1 to 10 as indicated per 1 liter of water in such a foam cannon or foam sprayer. That's quite a lot, and that might be too expensive for some. So, isn't there another product where we need less and can achieve the same effect? Yes, there is. This thing is called Infinity Wax Synergy Boost, and I wanted to introduce it to you in this video. So, Infinity Wax Synergy Boost is, just like the Surfaces Hydrofoam or the Fireball Hydrofoam, a sealant that you apply to the car using a foam lance. Infinity Wax calls it Lens Applied Ceramic. And with that, we've actually already said the most important thing about this product. On top of that, it's a product that has one of the least amounts of information or text I've ever seen on any product right here on the back of the label. I mean, sure, this bottle is relatively small. Here you have it in direct comparison with the L bottle from Surfaces, and there isn't that much space. And still, you have to say, there's incredibly little written on it. It says here, highly concentrated snow foam lance applied ceramic sealant. So a highly concentrated ceramic sealant that you apply with a foam lance. And then we can get started with the dilution recommendations. 5 ml per liter of water, minimal amount. 20 ml per liter of water, normal amount or normal strength. 40 ml per liter for maximum strength. And you really have to say that's a whole lot less than what we need with these products here. So, if this product achieves the same effect with so much less product usage, then that's really cool. You just have to say that 4 ml, 20 ml, 100 ml. At this point, I have to critically point out, in my opinion, that the range we have here is really enormous. And that's also a topic that really concerns me when it comes to car shampoos, for example. Very busy, because some manufacturers go ahead and say they have a 1 to 2,000 shampoo. And that's exactly one of the biggest problems in the car care industry. The manufacturers can initially claim whatever they want here. Nobody controls this, and nobody punishes manufacturers if they lie to us. And that's why you can just write 5 ml on it, even if it doesn't work that well. Just so you can say you have the most highly concentrated foam sealant there is. We'll find out how well it works. It also says that, on average, 1 liter of the finished mixture is enough for 4 cars. Let's talk about that right away. It's a bit of a tricky statement. It should only be applied to clean cars, whether dry or wet. And you should always wash the car after application. It's safe on glass, paint, wheels, and plastic. Windscreen safe. That's a bold statement because, in my opinion, both sealant shampoos and sealant foams all have the downside that they can potentially create streaks on windshields. Especially when you go over it with the windshield wipers, that's when you say windscreen. I think that's very, very bold. I just have to say that at this point. All right, so we've covered everything there is to know about the bottle. And now let's just take a look at how well it works. So I grabbed the foam cannon from Chemical Works. And as you can see now, in the first step, I wanted to mix 20 ml with 1 liter of water, or rather, I had half a liter in the foam cannon and wanted to add 10 ml to it. Now comes the first challenge. This bottle is cool because we have a separate dispensing area and it says 20 ml on it, but the whole upper part is basically the dispenser head, and the 20 ml is marked here, but there's no additional line anywhere. I simply don't know where the 20 ml are or where they end. So do they end in that small area of the bottle? Do they end here in the whole upper area? No idea. That's why I simply tried it out and measured it for you. And yes, I can tell you, just the area here, the small area where the 20 ml is written, if you fill it completely up to the flat area, then you have 20 ml. If you fill it all the way to the top, I think you're closer to those 40 ml that are indicated for the maximum concentration. So I prepared 10 ml for half a liter of water. So this is the medium concentration. And then I applied the whole thing to a washed car, which you can also see in the pictures now. Before there was, if anything, just a very, very, very light residue of an old, weak, wet sealant left on it. But we already had a relatively clear puddle of water in the lower area, and after applying the Infinity Works Synergy Boost, this puddle of water no longer stuck to the paint. It broke up, and we had the hydrophobic effect. Up to this point, I have to say personally, that wouldn't be a strong enough hydrophobic effect for me, especially compared to the other products, where we do need more, but right from the start, we have a stronger effect. I then simply went over the same spot again with the same mixture, and lo and behold, we already had a significantly better hydrophobic effect. So from my point of view, there are two variants here. Either you really spray the entire car and give the product a little time to sit on the paint before rinsing it off, or you really go over it twice. At this point, I have to clarify one thing about the vanes. With other products, it clearly states to apply it part by part. It doesn't say anything about that here. And that brings me to one of the main disadvantages of sealing shampoos, wet sealants, and also sealing foams. They all carry the risk of leaving streaks on the paint. That's just how it is, especially if we don't apply it part by part, particularly when it's warm outside, especially if our paint might already be sealed and we don't have enough water on the surface for these products to work properly, and so on and so forth. You can find thousands of excuses. The fact is, all these product categories, wet sealants, sealant shampoos, and sealant foams, inherently carry this risk of streaks. That's just the way it is. You have to live with it. Now I have to say with Synergy Boost. So far, I have not been able to create streaks on the paint with it. And not even when I first sprayed the entire car and intentionally overdid it, leaving it on for 5 minutes. So it seems to be a relatively safe product in this regard, which reassures me a bit about the claim that it's safe for windshields. Maybe it's actually a bit different from other products. But I'm basically still skeptical. Feel free to share your experiences with the product down in the comments. What needs to be said, but this applies to all sealant foams I've tried so far. These are products that try to hit two birds with one stone. On one hand, they are supposed to foam up, but on the other hand, they are also supposed to seal. And we already know from sealant shampoos that most of them don't foam up strongly because of the sealing component. And with the Infinity Works Synergy Boost, you saw that it foams up briefly when it comes out of the foam lance, and the foam stays on the paint for a short time. But because it immediately creates a sealing effect and the foam starts to pull back the individual droplets, this is not a product where you should expect to have a solid foam layer on the paint. That doesn't work. This works much better with the Kokemi Protector Wax, but as we already mentioned at the beginning of the video, we don't have this strong sealing effect. So we're back to the topic of compromises, which is always the case with car care products. But just a reminder, don't expect it to foam up extremely. It can't do that, and it won't do that even if you use more product. Now, I already know that some of you will ask, well, it's all well and good to work with a foam lance, but what if I don't have a foam lance? I don't have a pressure washer, I don't have my own garage, and I'm not allowed to use a pressure washer at home. Does it also work with regular foam or a pump sprayer? I figured that question would come up. That's why I tried it out right away. And yes, it works in both a foam sprayer and a pump sprayer. And my clear recommendation here is that I wouldn't necessarily categorize the Infinity Wax Synergy Boost as a sealant foam. For me, it's more of a wet sealing concentrate that I personally pour into a pump sprayer and then apply it to the paint like that. There's another advantage when using a pump sprayer. In a pump sprayer where I mix about 5 to 40 ml into 1 liter of water, this mixture goes directly onto the paint. This means that I tend to have a stronger sealing effect. And this is confirmed by my experience, because with a foam lance I have the same mixture in the container, but it is diluted even further by the water that the high pressure cleaner shoots through. So, in a pump sprayer or a simple spray bottle, I would actually recommend sticking to the suggested 5 to 10 ml per liter of water. You can dose it higher, which gives you a stronger sealing effect, but it also increases the risk of streaks. So I actually consider applying it with a pump sprayer to be the best method when it comes to this product. And then I can really lower the recommended dosage, and the price doesn't matter as much anymore. And now we come to the crux of this video. I started the video by asking, is this finally a product where we can save a bit more money? Because we use significantly less than with these here. Yes, that's absolutely true. But it fails because this one is relatively expensive. We have 250 ml in this small bottle. Infinity Wax also offers a 2.5 liter variant, but I believe it's unfortunately not available in our regions. And this 250 ml, depending on the dosage recommendation used here, is enough for about 10 cars or 10 applications. Costs, hold on to your hats, $40, and that's double what the Surface's hydroceramic foam costs at least. And now you can play fun mathematical games again. If I buy the Surfaces for 20 ounces and use 100 ml per application, I'm looking at about 2 per application. If I get this one, pay $40 and use 20 ml, which is the average dosage recommendation. I'm already at $3 per application, so in the end, it's more expensive. You can already see the problem. So basically, I have to say that the Synergy Boost works. It's one of the top sealing foams I've tried so far. This fits into the lineup of the products here. I've also included it in my list of favorite products, which is available in the DetailingSchool database for you. It's linked down in the video description. There you will find our current favorite products updated daily. But unfortunately, it's not a product that reduces the costs of sealing foams. In this regard, I have to say that about $1 per application isn't actually that much. When you start comparing this with other sealing products, in the DetailingSchool database, which is linked below, you'll find a data sheet where I've done this, comparing prices across different sealing categories, and you'll find that $1 per application is actually one of the cheapest options available. That means sealing foams are pretty cool in that regard. Regarding the claim that 1 liter is enough for 4 cars, I have to tell you that I first filled half a liter in the foam cannon to give it a try. I then filled the foam cannon with a whole liter to do my girlfriend's entire car. This is a Renault Traffic, so it's a relatively large vehicle, and that liter just barely sufficed. So 4 cars with 1 liter. You have to say, yes, if it's a very small car. If they are larger cars, then definitely not anymore. But my God, a manufacturer can't always take every case into account when writing this down. And what must be said is that sealing foams are not pre-cleaning products. So you can't expect to spray your dirty car with such a sealing foam and have it clean and seal at the same time. It's not that simple after all. These are simply products that can be applied quickly and easily, especially with a foam cannon. In my opinion, these are primarily products, especially the Synergy Boost, for professional detailers. Because if you have customers, for example, you have customers who aren't willing to pay that much for a polish, for a proper seal, especially for ceramic sealing, or you have customers who already have a ceramic seal that's at the end of its lifespan, and you just want to do something nice for them after a wash and quickly and easily apply a seal that enhances the beading effect. Those are fantastic products. So, as part of a small package where you just wash the car and seal it at the same time, these are great products because you do it with a foam lance. You spray the car once, then go around the car again and rinse it off, and you're done. You've sealed the car, and you'll also have a very, very light color refreshing or gloss enhancing effect. So from that perspective, especially for professionals, I think these are great, useful products. And with that, I've said everything I wanted to say about the Infinity Wax Synergy Boost. Definitely a good product, gets a thumbs up from me. If you found the video helpful, informative, exciting, and interesting, please give us a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe to the channel for free and tune in for the next video. Hello!